Why vivid dreams might be the secret to feeling rested. New research suggests that the quality of our dreams, specifically how vivid and immersive they are, may play a much larger role in how rested we feel than previously understood. While we often associate deep sleep with a complete lack of mental activity, a study from the IMT School for Advanced Studies LUCA indicates that rich, dream-filled experiences might actually be what convinces our brains that we have had a restorative night. The paradox of deep sleep. Traditionally, sleep science suggests that the most restful periods occur during deep, unconscious stages where brain activity is minimal. However, this study found a fascinating discrepancy between biological data and human perception. Deep unconscious sleep. Participants reported feeling well-rested after periods of total unconsciousness. Vivid dreaming. Participants also reported high levels of rest after experiencing immersive, intense dreams, even when brain activity readings suggested they were closer to a state of wakefulness. Fragmented awareness. Conversely, the shallowest sleep was reported during periods where participants felt vaguely aware or present, but were not actually dreaming. This suggests that the subjective feeling of rest is not just about how quiet the brain is, but about the quality of the mental experience during sleep. The dream buffer theory. The researchers focused their investigation on stage 2 NREM, non-rapid eye movement, sleep, which is a significant portion of our total sleep time. They proposed a compelling theory to explain why dreaming feels so restorative. Vivid dreams may act as a psychological buffer. Neuroscientist Giulio Bernardi suggests that immersive dreaming might reshape how the brain interprets its own activity. Even if neural data shows fluctuations or movement toward wakefulness, a vivid dream can mask these shifts, giving the sleeper the impression of continuous, deep rest. This effect seems to intensify as the night progresses. As sleep pressure, the physiological drive to sleep, decreases toward morning, dreams become more vivid, which in turn helps maintain the feeling of deep sleep. Why this matters for sleep health. This finding addresses a common medical mystery. Why do some people feel exhausted even when their sleep data looks perfect? If the feeling of rest is tied to the immersion of our dreams, then normal sleep metrics like duration or heart rate might not tell the whole story. If a person's dreaming becomes fragmented or less vivid, they may wake up feeling unrefreshed, even if they technically spent enough hours in bed. If dreams help sustain the feeling of deep sleep, then alterations in dreaming could partly explain why some people feel they sleep poorly even when standard objective sleep indices appear normal. Giulio Bernardi, neuroscientist. Future possibilities. While the study does not yet prove that dreaming causes rest, it opens new doors for treating sleep disorders like insomnia. If scientists can find ways to manipulate the vividness of dreams, perhaps through sensory stimulation, cognitive techniques, or new medications, they might be able to improve the perceived quality of sleep for millions of people. Conclusion. The study suggests that dreaming is not just a byproduct of sleep, but a vital mechanism that helps our minds perceive restfulness. By understanding how vivid dreams act as a buffer for brain activity, researchers may eventually develop new ways to combat insomnia and improve mental well-being.